12th of November, Saint of the Day, St.Josaohat Kuntssevich of Polotsk. He was born in 1580 in the city of Volodymyr, then in Poland, and was baptized into the Eastern Orthodox Church. He was raised by his parents in a religious atmosphere from an early age. He showed extraordinary talent during his school years, studied the Slavonic language, and made reading a daily habit. Due to the financial problems faced by his parents, he was forced to turn to trade. He decided to enter the Holy Trinity Monastery, rejecting both his business interests and marriage. His holy life became famous among the people, and many people came to see him. Having received the priesthood, he began to serve regularly in the church. As a result of his efforts, many novices began to enter the monastery. In 1609, having received private education under a Jesuit father, he was ordained a priest by a Catholic bishop. After becoming the head of several monasteries, he was appointed successive bishop of Polotsk on 12 November 1670. During his tenure, he contributed to restoration of St.Josaohat Cathedral in Polotsk. Despite many obstacles, he took the initiative to promote unity between the Orthodox Church and the Roman Catholic Church. He even developed a system of discipline necessary to preserve the holiness of priestly life. He was assassinated by a group of people who were hostile to him on 12th of November 1623. Beatified on 16th of May 1643 by His Holiness Sixth Pope Urban, canonized on 29th of June 1867 by His Holiness Ninth Pope Pius. Saint Joseph of Polotsk, pioneer of unity between Orthodox Church and the Roman Catholic Church, pray for us.